Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item in our used range, and that being the Swift Corniche 20-4 2015. An extremely popular layout on a single axle with a transverse island bed rear bathroom. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So a generous sized front locker box located at the front, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, your electric hookup cable, light items, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. It does benefit from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure and supportive tow. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, and also an exterior 240-volt socket. There is a motor mover currently fitted to this caravan, so a benefit there and certainly a saving on cost. You've also got a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed, and the logo and denominative of the caravan towards the back, and the Corniche logo located at the front. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a generous size under-counter Dometic fridge, nice large kitchen work surface with work surface extension, an easy usable height microwave just positioned above the sink and cooker area. You have a Omnivent in the kitchen area. Your cooker benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill. This particular caravan has the Truma blown air heating system with the control panel located above the habitation door. Towards the front of the caravan, down the bottom left here, you've got a PIR sensor for the alarm by the first Truma blown air heating vent. A generous sized chest at the front with short pull-out table and storage underneath. On the front binnacle, you've got two 240-volt sockets. And then here's your first look at this fabric scheme. So a really nice, well-finished, well-chosen fabric scheme back in 2015 for this caravan. And it also shows how well it's been looked after by the previous customer. Two-tone wood lockers throughout the caravan. Nice large panoramic sunroof at the front with the Corniche logo lighting up of an evening, and coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, giving a great feeling of space inside this caravan. Your first television point is located just here by the habitation door, with a sideboard on to pop the TV on and further storage underneath. So stepping through, you've got a concertina blind here, which comes across and clips in here to give you some privacy in the bedroom area. As we step through to the bedroom, you've got a generous sized wardrobe to the right hand side with storage underneath. And this is your first look at the transverse island bed in the day position. So plenty of space to be able to move around the end of the bed. You have a second television point located here with the side binnacle on the side there and storage underneath, and a vanity mirror with cupboard just above. The two-tone lockers going through to the bedroom area just above the bed, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, again creating a fantastic feeling of space in the bedroom. Second wardrobe located to the other side with a storage cabinet located underneath. As we move through to a very spacious bathroom area. So individual square shower cubicle with hanging rail in it. So a nice spacious and pull across door there for the shower. Illuminated washroom mirror just positioned above the sink, with further storage to the right hand side and also located underneath. Some tucked away shelves as well for further storage, just positioned above the Thetford toilet. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Corniche 20-4 has to offer. If you've got any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. A very, very popular layout at the moment, so I really don't feel this caravan will be in stock for long. We'll look forward to hearing from you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour, and we look forward to doing business with you. Bye bye now.